Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, when was the last time you gave your bedroom a proper reset? You know that moment when you clear out the clutter, fluff the pillows, and set yourself for a better rest. Well, today I am walking you through my own bedroom reset routine, and spoiler alert, it includes something that has completely transformed how I sleep. First step, decluttering. A tidy space really does help calm your mind. I clear surfaces, air out the room, and make space for what actually matters to me. But the real game changer for me, upgrading the one thing I use every single night, my mattress. I recently switched to Smart Luxe Pro SnowTec Mattress by the Sleep Company, and I honestly wish I had done it sooner. I got this mattress for my king size bed, and this mattress is available in different sizes. It's built with their patented SmartGRID technology. SmartGRID adapts to my body shape, it contours to your body, gives soft comfort and firm back support. It has 2500 plus air channels for easy airflow and it offers no pressure support. And this is what makes it different from most of the mattresses, which are either too soft or too firm. This one somehow does both. There is also a layer of natural latex that gives the surface this slight bounce. It's really pleasant. This mattress is super soft and allows a natural airflow due to the pincore design which works well with 2500 plus air channels of this smart grid mattress. My baby sweats a lot while sleeping. After I started using this mattress, he does not wake up sweaty. I am quite surprised that this actually keeps the surface 4 to 6 degrees cooler. I also love the small details of this product, like over 2500 air channels for airflow, a 100 night trial, and a 10 year warranty. That kind of confidence in a product says a lot. Now I don't wake up tossing and turning. And because with this mattress I get a peaceful sleep, so no more stiffness in my back. My baby also loves the softness and comfort of this mattress. If you are thinking about your own bedroom reset, this mattress should definitely be on your list. You can visit the Sleep Company store, there is probably one within 15 minutes of you, or just check them out online. I have shared the link in the description box. Use my code WDB1000 to get flat 1000 rupees off. This coupon code is valid on all the mattresses at the Sleep Company. So guys, this is all about today's video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question about this mattress, then please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next one.